Choosing the right height for blocking in carpentry is key to making sure it actually does something useful, like supporting drywall seams or backing cabinets. So, when you're figuring out where to put blocking, first think about what it's for. If it's for drywall seams, you want to place the blocking at around 4 feet high because that's where the drywall sheets typically meet. For cabinet backing, check the cabinet's spec height so your blocking lines up perfectly to hold everything solid. Fire blocking has specific code requirements, so make sure you follow those rules exactly to keep things safe. Sometimes you'll need to match blocking placement to the plan for light fixtures or plumbing, so check those details before cutting your wood. If you're on site and things don't line up perfectly, don't be afraid to adjust the blocking a little. Being flexible saves a lot of headaches later. Use a level and tape measure to double-check your marks before nailing anything in. And always think about the future. Blocking should not only support what's there now, but also make any repairs or upgrades easier down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make with blocking placement is guessing the height without checking drywall or cabinet specs, which can cause weak seams or wobbly cabinets. Fix this by always measuring and confirming before cutting. Another common issue is ignoring fire block codes, risking safety and building inspection problems. So look up local fire blocking requirements and follow them exactly. Lastly, skipping the step of coordinating blocking with fixture plans leads to awkward installations that need rework. Avoid this by reviewing electrical and plumbing drawings early and marking your blocking accordingly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome at hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. It also helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with people ready to start their home projects without the hassle.